In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Japanese IP address using a VPN. Let's get started. First, choose a VPN that has servers in Japan, like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or ProtonVPN. Next, sign up on their website or log into your account. Go to the Chrome Web Store and add the Proton VPN plugin to your browser. Click on the Proton VPN logo and search for Japan in the server list. Select a server in Tokyo or Osaka, then tap Connect. You may need to upgrade to select Japan. Select Upgrade, choose a plan, and once that's done, you can connect to the Japan server. Wait until it shows connected. At this point, your real IP is replaced with a Japanese IP. To confirm, open a browser and search "What is my IP?" If it shows Japan, then it's working. If it doesn't, try switching to another Japan server and reconnect. That's it. You're now using a Japanese IP address. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.